Hello and welcome back to my channel. So there's a new series that I'm going to be doing. It's going to be headgear for a DIY World War I headgear, right? So gas masks, caps, helmets, stuff like that. So it's for the uniforms, a YouTuber I watch, Country Tactical. He is not the best at making headgear, so I am substituting for that. I have two prototypes so far. Gas mask, the canister there. The canister is not painted. Neither is the tube, and I don't have the eye sockets for that yet. The cap, it's not painted yet. This would be for the Imperial Russian and Royal Marine uniform. The gas mask would be for the U.S. World War I U.S. uniform. So that's what you can expect for the channel, a new series. It might be a while because I am using my laptop camera right now and not the camera that I use the most of the time. So this will be a lot more conventional, I should say. No. What am I saying? Sorry, my mind blanked out. The new video should be a lot better than this video because I'm using the webcam up here on my laptop, so. And, not my regular camera, so those should be a lot better. Camera quality and, yeah. So yeah, that's my future channel update. First one's be the cap and the gas mask. So, sure to like, subscribe. Go check out Country Tactical. Put his link in a link to his videos, to one of his videos of the series. And I will see you in the next video, which will be making this cap.